Hi and welcome to this episode of the DynoMax Performance Garage. Today we're going to install one of our new catback systems on this 2010 Chevy Silverado. So if you're ready, let's get started. Now after you get this vehicle up in the air, or if you're working on this in your garage on your back, you're going to notice that the entire exhaust system, the stock one, is one piece. So there's one bolt to go ahead and take off right behind the cat, and then what you have to deal with then is just making sure you get all the mounts off the rubber bushing. So we'll go ahead and start with hitting all the rubber mounts with a little WD-40, and then we'll go up to the front, remove that one nut, and go ahead and fish it out from the back. All right, well, now that we got all the rubber bushings removed, man, and I'll tell you what, these things fight you tooth and nail every time that we do one of these. So use your WD-40 and a little bit of patience. So now that I have this all off, what we're going to do is fish it all out, keep it as one piece, or you can cut it and sawzall it so it just drops out nice and easy, up to you. And then we'll start putting the DynoMax piece in. All right, after you have the stock system removed, you are going to reuse the factory clamp right here at the cat. So the way that they flare, the way the DynoMax flares their pipe right here, you'll see that it fits up just like the stock one did. So we'll reuse the clamp and then keep going back. All right, finished off with a brand new stainless steel tip from DynoMax, and they've got a full new product line for these if you're building your own system. But this one comes with it, and she's all polished up and ready to go. We're going to put it down on the ground and do some sound tests. Thanks for joining us on this episode of the DynoMax Performance Garage. Now that we're done installing and doing our sound bites, we're going to hit the streets and see how it sounds out in the open air. So see you next time on the DynoMax Performance Garage.